How's it going, guys? This is Super Monster Fredbear, and I'll be reacting to Never Hike in the Snow Friday the 13th fan film. This is basically part 2 of the Never Hike trilogy made by Womp Stomp Films. The original video for Never Hike in the Snow will be in the description, along with the link to Womp Stomp Films' channel. No shout out to Womp Stomp Films. I think this one is a little bit shorter than Never Hike Alone. And I do know that Never Hike Alone 2 is the longest in the trilogy. Tom Matthews. Alright, awesome. So that means that Tommy Jarvis is back. Yippee! And this is not in Crystal Lake, right? This is just in the snow, which is why it's called, excuse me, Never Hike in the Snow. But then again, this is probably still like the same Crystal Lake, Camp Crystal Lake like woods. Because why else would Jason be walking around? Hello, who's this? Let's see. In a yellow jacket, running in snow, and snow is basically just frozen water. Is this Georgie? From It? Are you running from Jason, or are you running from, Clown? Run, 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 run. Just keep running. Just keep running. Jason's like right behind you. Wait, this is a kid. This guy's like friggin' 17 years old. Well, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be a 17-year-old, but he looks friggin' young. That was a dumb idea, buddy. Jason's behind you. Like, huh. Jason with a bow and arrow? Just like in, what was it, part 6? Run, kid! Once again, I'm scared of the music, so I'm gonna have to mute it. Which is what the original video comes in handy for. So be sure to check the description after watching my reaction, or watch the original video first. Bang! Did he hit him in the head? Did he land a headshot? Nope, kid's still alive. He landed. Oh, through the leg. Wasn't through the knee, was it? An axe? Jason with an axe. Again. Jason with an axe. I'm ready. What do you got, Jason? Alright, Jason, come on. Your car's right there. Think you can make it? Oh, he did that teleportation thing. He's like right behind you, isn't he? He's on the other side of the tree, I bet. He's on the other side of the tree. I'm calling it. There he is! Oh! Oh! Is that his tongue? Damn, that looks sick. That looks amazing. That's an amazing effect. Like, holy god damn. That's... You wanna go shut that car off, Jason? Beep, 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 beep. What are you doing now, Jason? Going through his car? Was that a camera? Or like, oh, what's he doing? Is he gonna hide the body in the car? I didn't know Jason could drive. That'd be amazing if he could. No, just taking the dead body back with him. Never Hike in the Snow, a Friday the 13th fan film. Did they ever find the body, or did they just find the blood and said, screw it, there's someone died?
Hey, Chief?
What's the word?
Car's registered to a Diana Hill. Her son, Mark, took the car this morning. Supposed to pick her up from work. Never showed. Chief, he's only 17.
Jesus. What'd you tell her?
Just that we found the car and looking for the owner.
Good. I guess I'll head over there and deliver the news.
What are you gonna say?
Just that her son is missing. I think that's enough for now, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, because, they didn't find a body, did they? All they found was a car.
What about the report?
Don't worry about it. I'll take care of it in the morning.
Is there anything else I should do here?
Yeah. You still carry that road salt in your trunk?
Sir, I do.
Good. Round up all of this business. Spread the salt over the blood. I don't want anybody finding this come tomorrow morning.
Sir, this is an active crime scene.
I have
Well.
everything I need for my report. Why don't you just do what I ask and then beat it?
But this is an active
Sir?
crime scene, dude. You can't just cover up blood with snow. You gotta leave it there. Like, you have to get, like, some type of police tape or... Yeah, there's police tape there. All they're gonna do is clean up the blood. Who's that? Is that Tommy Jarvis? It looks like it. Is that you, T-Jarv? TJ? Why call him T-Jarv? I actually called him T-Jarvis. I've been watching like Friday the 13th kill counts a lot.
Hey, hon. Gonna be a late night.
Sorry, but I just
I'll
have
see you in the
been.
morning. I love you. Send. Shit.
Alright, so we started the film off with an instant kill. Is this guy gonna die too, since Jason's obviously somewhere around here? Because I can hear the... Did Tommy Jarvis just take the car? That's why I don't leave the keys in the ignition, or whatever. No, alright, he didn't take the cop car. He just took his own car after keying
Yes. I'm
it with
Sheriff
Jason.
Rick Cologne.
Is this about Mark? Do you have any information?
You have a place we could sit down and talk for a minute?
Sure. Right this way.
Is he just gonna tell her that her son's missing? Just hope to God she doesn't
Thank
freak
you.
out, because a normal parent would freak out if
Well,
they even heard
The good news is we found
your
car.
son is missing.
But I have the unfortunate duty of letting you know that your son is missing.
Appropriate reaction. Thank
I know
God that
this
wasn't
is
just,
a
oh
very
no.
difficult time for you. No. But Diana, I'm going to have to ask you a couple of questions about Mark. Would you be up for that?
Yes, of course.
Good. When's the last time you saw him?
It was this morning. Mark.
Yeah, what's up? My bad.
Thank you. What you doing today?
So, I was Googling things to do around here and found some woods. I'm gonna go explore.
Well, where are they?
Listen, Mom, you need to stop worrying what I'm doing.
Never gonna happen.
Okay. It's snowing. I gotta go.
Don't forget, I need you to pick me up at the hospital at 3.
Yeah, I know.
Mark,
Yeah,
be careful.
always. Love you. Gotta go.
Was he with anyone? Did he have anything with him?
He hasn't really had
Well?
a chance to make many friends yet.
Aw.
He had his camera bag.
Did you guys like
That's
just
where he
move
was
here or
going
something?
to take photos.
Did
He's
you
a
just
great
move here?
photographer. I don't know if that helps.
Sure, it helps. Gives us something to look for. So it's
A camera
just the
bag.
two of you?
Mark's father left before he was born. It's always been just the two of us.
I see. Diana,
17
would you
years.
mind
Dang.
if I took a look around in Mark's room?
Why?
Might find clues. I don't know.
It might give us something that would lead us to him. A clue, a hint, breadcrumbs.
You know, when we first moved here, I thought we were finally safe. I used to get so scared living in the city. Mark would be out all hours of the night with his camera. I thought I could finally relax. Sheriff,
Yes?
did you find anything?
No, I'm afraid not. Oh. Let me take this. Hold on.
Yeah.
Go for cologne. Alan, calm down. What is going on?
Was Alan the cop that got keyed by
What?
Jarvis?
Sheriff, what's going on?
Something's come up across town that requires my attention. I'll have my office call you in the morning with updates. Ms. Hill, I promise you we are going to do everything within our power to find your boy. If you need anything else from me, call me directly.
Thank you, Sheriff.
No need to thank me.
Okay.
Just doing my job.
Alright. I feel kind of bad now. Oh, that's the kid's corpse. Jason just has him sitting back here in the shed. How many people has Jason killed? You know, I just thought of something. Does Jason eat? Or does he just kill and sleep? Does Jason sleep? How about that? Does Jason eat or sleep? Why is this coming to mind now? Oh, you went to Camp This kid made a mistake. So far, I am loving this though. So we don't see like another person die, or what is that? So on the camera lens. Behind you! Jason, you found the photo. What are you gonna do now? You're gonna show it to your mother's severed head?
Jason.
Pamela Voorhees.
Come, Jason. Come, Jason. Come to mommy. Come to mommy.
Come on. Give your mother a hug, Jason.
Good boy. Good boy. Good, Jason. Good, Jason. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid. There you are. So handsome.
I've missed you, my sweet boy.
Does Jason have visions of this every night, or does this not happen a lot? Since she said, "I've missed you, my sweet boy," as in like it's been longer than like a few days. Oh boy.
That son of a... knew it! Get after him!
What? That was Tommy Jarvis. Yep, that's Tommy Jarvis. He's going to... Whoa! You almost got yourself killed, cop.
Freeze it, psycho!
He's just trying to kill Jason.
You're making a big mistake, Sheriff. Cuff him. Don't act like you don't know what's going on.
What are you talking about?
You don't know? Why don't you ask Rick the Dick? That's enough. He's still out here, Sheriff! He's still out here! Get him out of here!
Yeah, Jason...
Do anything about it! We're lucky to be alive, Sheriff! You're not getting locked up in jail, you pussy!
Is this sheriff on Jason's side secretly? He's trying to just cover up all of Jason's crimes and doesn't let Tommy kill Jason or just try
Sheriff,
to kill him.
what is going on here?
It's just a bunch of local horse shit.
Who the hell is Jason?
Now's not the time or place. You go home. You be with your wife and kid. We'll talk about it in the morning.
I feel like I'm asking too many
That's an order.
questions, so I'm just gonna stop asking questions and
Copy.
just enjoy it for what it is. So,
Hey, you want something to do tonight?
I
Log
apologize.
this
I
into
guess.
evidence. Write up the trespassing report on this son, and get this shit heap towed out of here.
Sir.
Tommy Jarvis is not the bad one, Sheriff. You're the one that's covering up Jason's crimes.
You're not getting it, Sheriff. Jason's back. How many people gotta die before you wake up? I got you now, Jarvis. You bang.
Yep. Oh, okay. That's. Yep. Bang. I remember. curious about, is Tommy gonna, like, what the hell is this? Is Tommy gonna, like, get arrested, or is he gonna get out of jail, or... Is this the cop or something? This ain't the sheriff, is this the cop? This gotta be the cop, right? Yeah, this gotta be the cop. I guess his name is Mabry. Because it says up in the top corner. Jason has multiple masks? Is that the blue mask that Roy Burns wore? Yep, that's what that is. Roy Burns mask. So then the other one is the Jason mask, right? Like Jason's original mask. Bad idea, partner. You're looking for Jason at night in Crystal Lake. Are those crutches? That scared me for a second. That scared me for a second. I was thinking, what the frick was that?
Okay, hon. Just wrapping up now. Be home soon. Give the little guy a hug for me. Love you.
Oh boy. Dude, don't. Mabry, don't do it. Don't do it, Mr. Mabry. This is not a good idea, Mabry. Jason is going to kill you. Jason is going to kill you. This is not a smart idea. This looks freaking amazing so far, though. Oh, by the way, just want to say I really wish there was a Friday the 13th in the snow movie, because you saw the opening to this. The kid got killed and the blood looked so awesome seen in the white snow. That's the frozen kid. I didn't see that. I didn't see that. I didn't see that. That was Jason, right? I didn't see Jason. The only thing I saw was the kid's corpse. Oh! He blew his own head off! What? Wait, Jason shot... The fan film made Jason use a gun! Finally! About time we see Jason use a gun. Not in the real timeline, but... Was that it? Was that it? Is that all? What? That's all? There's gotta be... Is there a post-credit scene? Is there anything? No, not even at this most played part of the end, no. Well, that's a bunch of baloney. That's a bunch of baloney. Come on, I was wanting to see more. Well, I guess that's it for Never Hike in the Snow. Jason used a gun, so I'm happy about that. Hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, then awesome. I really wish there was more to Never Hike in the Snow. But anyway, don't forget to check out Womp Stomp Films, and check out the original film as well. Both the channel and the original video link are in the description. And I'll see y'all next time.